Hello. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can save a lot of time for doing video editing. For example, I wanted to put same transitions on different set of images. Of course, you can use different transition and then paste it on different video sets or different photos or images set. Basically, I could not find a way to do that in CapCut before or on the YouTube, so I was thinking, okay, let's make a video. So let's get started and go to the point. So first of all, of course, you need to either import the videos or either import the pictures which you want to do. For example, here I'm going to import these pictures. Of course, which you don't want, just remove it. So you imported it. After that, what you need to do is you need to select all and select and send it here. Now, as you can see here, the audio sample is around more than 2 minutes, right? So in this case, what I can do is if I select one image and if I do this, it will take a lot of time. So what I can do is I can select all first of all, and then I can zoom in like this to see, so will it save time? Yes, it will save time. So in this case, you can see within seconds what I did is I scale the images without selecting one, and it will save. If you have like 200 images, for example, and you want to do that, it will take you, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, but now it took few seconds. But this is not the main objective of the video. The main objective of the video is to put a transition and then do that. So of course this is another trick that you could do. So for example, what I want to do is I want to zoom in when the video moves. I want to zoom in this picture. So what I can do is by selecting this picture, or it could be video, you go to video tab here and then you select on transform. Then what you can do is you move the cursor till where you want to zoom in the image. For example, I want to zoom in till here. Then what you can do is you can scale to what extent you want to zoom, and of course you can even move how it should zoom. And then that's all. Now what you will see is when I move the cursor, you can see that it zoom in. So let's play and see. Now if I want to put on this, if I start doing this manually, it will take a lot of time. So what you can do is click on it, click copy attributes, then you select all group. It could be 10 images group, and then you can put the same effect or different effect on another picture and then select a group to put that one. So what you need to do is click on one of them by selecting all, paste attributes. It will give you want to stretch to fit if the the duration of each image is different, because in this case I did this trick of scaling all images at once, so I don't need to do stretch to fit. So what I can do is just maintain it, paste it. Now if you see, if I move to the second, it zoom like that, third zoom like that, fourth, fifth, sixth, and that's all. Now it's done. You see, it's zooming in. So that will save you a lot of time. If this video helped you even a bit, I would request you to please do one thing, just that is to subscribe the channel. That would help me a lot. And additionally, what you could do is of course share the video to your friends who this could be useful. So thank you for watching and have an amazing day. Let's see you in the next video.